My name is Kyle Buckle. I'm a senior engineer for Pacefill and Projects, and I currently work at Kit Operations in Ontario, Canada. Growing up, I really didn't know too much about the mining industry, to be honest. I remember learning about it and finding out the key fact that Canada had over 700 operating mines. Pretty much blew my mind, and grew up in Vancouver. You don't see too many open holes there. Coming back home, talking to my family, I think you really try to change the perception of we don't have pickaxes and the 7 dwarves going to work every day. Realistically, you're talking about a lot of high-tech scenarios where we're actually running equipment remotely from surface, and we're really trying to integrate these new ways in technology to try and do everything the best that we possibly can, the safest way we can. Glencore, I'd say, compared to every other mining company when I was going through school, really offered the most opportunity that I could see. They were one of the very first to come up with an engineer and training program that helped develop as an early on. But what stood aside compared to other companies, I think, is once you get past that 4-year time of being an engineer and training, they really look at the next pieces of your career and help you manage your way through it. Once you get past the engineer and training part, they actually help manage you and say, okay, now you're a professional engineer. Where would you like to specialize? Where do we need to get you more experience? For myself specifically, they also gave me the opportunity to be part of their technical development program, and I actually did a 1.5 years in Australia at George Fisher Mine in Queensland. There I got an amazing opportunity to actually work with a different culture. As amazing as you think Australians are similar to Canadians, they actually have a lot of differences, and being exposed to the culture of how they mine, their mentality, and just seeing their daily practices, I was able to integrate my learnings early on in my career from Kidd actually down at George Fisher Mine and bring some of the great things they're doing down there back. That kind of integration, I think, speaks to who Glencore is, and that they're willing to invest in the right people. If you're willing to work and problem solve and prove yourself, they're willing to come back and really invest with you and really develop within to create a stronger company compared to the competition.